Hey guys, how's it going today? Wow, so another really disappointing day for GoPro here. I've never made a video about them before. It's a company that I've been watching quite closely, but it's a company I'm really quite bearish on. But it's a company I'm still kind of excited about, right? It's kind of one of those companies I want to jump in a lot of the time and invest in, but man, they've got some issues. And seeing how much they dropped today, over 12% here at one point, holy man, they were down like $5.10. So we're down to $5.10. So, um, what are the issues here? I mean, I'm not going to go too much into their financials right now, but this is basically what was happening today: the plunging after the job cuts and revenue miss. So as you could have expected, I mean, they missed their revenue significantly, and also they're saying that they're going to be cutting 20% of their global workforce. Another huge thing, because I think drones are big, and I've called this, is that they've canceled their Karma drones, and that was basically a bit of a disaster. They ended up recalling them earlier. I think it was about a year ago or something like that. So that made them take an $80 million hit. They've also discontinued their hero cameras. I mean, things are not looking good whatsoever. Um, and then in this article I was reading here, it talks about the stiff competition, and then that's how it talks about the Karma drones with the DJI. And if you actually looked at it, in my opinion, I know they all have their merits, their benefits, and their weaknesses. But for the price, I mean, you could get way better drones, and that's the issue when they're facing with these other ones. Also, in respect to all their action cameras, we've seen other companies that are competing with them. So, and we're seeing gross margins come under some pressure as well. So they've been cutting 250 jobs. Fewer than 1,000 people are going to be in the workforce, which is crazy. And also their CEO, I believe, is taking a pay cut, which, quite frankly, he should. Some of the big news with them as well is that they're open for I read another article and I saw some news coming out now that they're open for a private sale. But the question is, guys, do you think that is anyone going to buy them? These are huge issues. Like, the question is there really any value with GoPro? I mean, like I said, I love their cameras. They're really cool. I mean, with all the gimbals, the shots that you can get, but the competition is so stiff, and we've seen them miss time after time after time again, and they just can't be profitable. So I'm really curious what you guys think. In terms of maybe just trading the company, usually I'm focused on value investing in companies that have a long-term gain. But wow, I mean, if you would have got it down here at $5, you could have made some money today. And we've just seen how it's been just tanking lately, right? So it's going to be very interesting to see what happens tomorrow. I thought I'd just do a quick little video updating that, and I would really love to hear from you guys, see what you think. Maybe I'm missing some things, some competitive advantages they have. I know they do have their brand name, but the question is right now, is that enough? Anyway, that's it for today, and I will see you guys in the next one.